Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about I Buy Direct reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? So what are you waiting for? Watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, without wasting time, let's get started. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video. Guys, I Buy Direct is an online website that sells prescription and non-prescription eyeglasses and sunglasses online. They offer a plethora of glasses, frames and accessories at affordable prices. You can take a look at the exclusive collection of glasses and sunglasses. So this is the attractive homepage of this website, guys. You can take a look. There is a sale going on and you can also enjoy up to 50% off these styles. Now guys, talking about the modes of payment. So here I'm not able to view a particular payment section, but when you just click some options here, you'll find a section of FAQs. Yeah, this is the section that is help and FAQ. So here you'll get the entire information related to the products, payment, return and shipping policy, etc. So just click the payment section and you'll get the payment info here. So the company accepts Amex, Visa, Discover, MasterCard, Mastro, Amazon and PayPal payments. Now guys, let's talk about the shipping policy. So let me check the shipping policy section. Guys, wait a minute. Just let me check the correct shipping policy info. So I think I can find the shipping section in about us section. Yeah, so this is the shipping and return section. So customers will get their product within 7 to 14 days, and here you can also get the shipping cost info. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points, guys, on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which means it is secure for payment aspects. And the major point, which is the domain creation date, the domain name was created on 13th of August 2005, and this is 15 years 21 days old website, which is a good sign, guys, and shows that the website is a legit website. Talking about the trust index, the website scores high in the trust index and has a loyal customer base that vouches for the quality of its product. Now let's take a look at the About Us section. So in this section, you will get the information related to business establishment year, business owner name, photos, brand connection info as well. So here you can read the About Us story of this website. You can also find some testimonials here, which shows that the website is a legit website. Now guys, let's take a look at the contact us information. So here is the contact us page. But guys, there is no official address available on this contact us page. You'll find only a contact number of customer service and the working days. And talking about the social media presence, this site has social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube, which is a good sign, guys, and shows that the website is a legit website. The returns are acceptable within 14 days from the date of the delivered item. Let's take a look at the return policy. And guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers as well. Here you can read the return and replacement policy. Now guys, talking about the customer reviews, we found mixed reviews about this website on social media platforms and on other websites as well. Customer service may not be helpful as some customers claim to be overcharged, and naturally customers contact customer service, but guys, apparently some iBuyDirect representatives didn't respond clearly. So I think this is one of the drawbacks about this website, but it's up to you. You can make a wise decision. And guys, in the final conclusion, iBuyDirect appears to be a legit website, but after reviewing this site, you can make a good decision. You can do more research about this website's info. And if you have ever scammed, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment your thoughts about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.